Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Following that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on this gear at the top right corner next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Password option is enabled. Then log into one of your apps and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here. If you wish to add one of your passwords from those settings, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Enter website data or click on Select App instead and click on the one that you wish to add. In my case, Spotify. Now you need to enter all of those informations, like username or email, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!